Alzheimer's begins with subtle symptoms, but there's nothing subtle about the relentless advance of the disease.
The hardest part after my mother was diagnosed with Alzheimer's was learning about how the disease progresses and that she would lose memories and functions little by little until there was nothing left. And there was nothing that medical science can do today to stop that process.
Ceniceros was a member of SMUD's 2015 Building Leadership Talent Team, or BLT for short. The team tackled Alzheimer's on 3 tracks. They raised money for research to help find a cure, they raised awareness about the disease, and they helped improve everyday lives of Alzheimer's patients and their families here in Sacramento. Throughout the year, the team raised or secured more than $150,000. Part of the effort focused on a senior drop-in program in Rancho Cordova, where all of the participants have dementia.
Caregivers are very busy, but when you have someone with dementia, especially Alzheimer's, it's more than a 24-hour job. So they need a break, they need respite. Our aim is to keep active physically and mentally. So we have an upbeat program, lots of stimulation.
Watching my mother progress through the stages of Alzheimer's has been very hard emotionally for me and the rest of my family. And it's so easy to focus on what's been lost, and that'll just put you in a constant state of depression. You have to focus on what's still there today, because it'll be gone tomorrow. Enjoy those moments and the capabilities that they still have and the interactions you can still have today.
The SMUD leadership team secured a $90,000 grant from the city of Rancho Cordova to create a memory garden at the club. Throughout the year, the leadership team partnered with the Alzheimer's Association.
So a lot of what they did with the Alzheimer's Association was helped with raising that awareness and helping more people in the community get connected to us, get educated about the disease. They helped us with some outreach events where we wouldn't have had a staff or volunteer if it hadn't been for the BLT folks staffing those events. People can call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and talk with someone from the Alzheimer's Association. If it's 2 in the morning and Dad keeps trying to leave the house because he thinks he needs to go to work, even though he hasn't worked in 10 years, and you've tried 5 things and you don't know what else to do to keep him safe, you call us.
The leadership team also worked with SMUD lighting experts on a project in the Pocket area at ACC Care Center, where half the residents have Alzheimer's. SMUD contributed $45,000 for the installation of cutting-edge LED lights and control systems. The aim is to prevent falls and help regulate residents' circadian rhythms with color-shifting lights. At ACC, the club and the Alzheimer's Association, gratitude for the SMUD leadership team was a common theme.
That I just really appreciate SMUD and that they took the initiative to put this kind of program together. I've been part of leadership programs, I've seen other leadership programs, and a lot of times people work on something that's more internal to the organization, and I think this program is really special in that they give employees those leadership skills, but they do it in a way that helps contribute to the larger community as well, which I think is pretty special.